How to add variants to an existing product in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So in this case I'm just going to go to catalog and let's say we just wanted to add some variants to the color red. So we can just feel free to do so. Right now you can see that we have pretty much no variants whatsoever. So let's just go ahead and add some. So what we need to do is just first go ahead and open up our Shopify admin. And then we just need to go to the products section, click on products, select the product that you want to add variants to. So like we said, we're just going to add some for the red product. Click on it. And then once it actually opens up, we can just go ahead and scroll down a little bit until we find the variants section here. So we can just go ahead and highlight this for you so you can see it. So we can actually see add options like size or color. And all we need to do really is just go ahead and click on add options like size or color. And we would want to add the actual option. So here, let's just do size, for example. And then once you add size, we can feel free to add the different sizes. So let's just do small, medium, large. So here it's just going to be S. Sorry about that. Let's just do S. Select it. And then we can just go ahead and add another size. M. Select it. And then let's just go ahead and add another one, which is going to be the L for large, like so. And click away, and you should see them right over here. And you can even rearrange them. So if you want one to be right before the other and so on, you can feel free to rearrange them as you wish. Click on done. And now we should have the different sizes for them. Now, I prefer to just go ahead and let you know to click on save on the top first. And then we can also add some more stuff to them. Now, here we have a few things that we can actually do. For example, we can start by adding images to the different variants. For example, for the small, we can have a different image, medium or large, different images. But usually with size, it's just going to be one image. But for this case, let's just go and do something different just so we can see it is visibly different. So I'm just going to add a few images for them and get back to you. And after you did add your images, you can also feel free to change the price for each one of these variants. So just go ahead and change whatever you want and even the availability for each variant. So once you change the pricing, and availability and images, you can just click on save and you're pretty much good to go. We can just go ahead and open up our online store, click on view our online store. I'm just going to go for the red one, click on it, and now we can actually see we have the small, medium, and also the large variant. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.